Before you yell at me saying it is the middle of July, why are you even talking about Christmas? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a holiday where you were overwhelmed and stressed? If so, then today's video is to help you not feel like that this holiday. Hello, welcome back to the Crafty Organizer. I'm Noreen Eppley, and today I want to talk to you about some things that you could do now while you're still enjoying summer and even enjoying fall, so that when you ease into the holidays, you are going to be ahead of the game and actually be able to enjoy all of the festivities, the sights, the sounds, and not be stressed out. Starting with number 1, start a gift stash. Right now is the perfect time to start making a list of who you want to get gifts for, and keep an eye out as things are going on sale. Even the end of season clearances might be the perfect gift for someone, because let's face it, when we buy holiday decor or gifts for someone, a lot of times they put it away for the next season. By grabbing a clearance spring or summer item right now, when they get it in December, they only have to wait a few months to actually get to enjoy it. So take advantage of those clearance items now, and you'll save yourself time, money, and the stress about thinking about what to get them when Christmas hits. Number 2 is something I've been doing for a long time. During those beautiful spring, summer, and fall months, take as many family photos as you can. Right now is the perfect time to collect those images. Here are some of my kids growing up through the years. I was able to go through our family photos, pick the best ones, and put them together for holiday cards, but sometimes I'd collected enough great ones that I would do something like customized mouse pads, coffee cups, or even calendars. And the grandparents and close aunts and uncles especially loved this one. So take those photos now. And guess what? If you don't use them, you have just collected a whole bunch of memories to look back on in the future. Number 3 is one I'm about to do in the garage right now. Go through your decor right now, declutter and organize it. Since we combined households when I got married and we have moved, my holiday items are a mess. Fall, Halloween, Christmas, it's all jumbled together. There's no rhyme, there's no reason, and we don't even know what we want to keep. So in the next few weeks, I am going to be pulling out all of my holiday things, and I'll bring you along with me to show you how I sort them out, how I pack them, how I label them, and hopefully it will inspire you to do the same thing. But by getting rid of these things now, you'll already know what you want to pull out for the holidays. There won't be any stress about searching for it or trying to figure out what box it's in. But by donating these things now, you're setting up the thrift shops or the donation shops for selling them at their peak season instead of having to store it over the summer months. So go through it now and you'll thank yourself in the holiday season. Number 4 is an easy one to do over your morning cup of coffee or even while having lunch. Go through and update your holiday card list. Now, holiday cards are sadly one of those things that kind of seem to be falling off. I love getting cards, but I have to confess, I have not been diligent at doing this. I'm really hoping this year I'm going to be ahead of the game and be completely ready to send out my Christmas cards Thanksgiving weekend. That way they're out. People are starting to get cards and get into that holiday spirit early. But I have a client who used to do something that I thought was genius. She had been keeping a long list for such a long time, and it became an overwhelming task for her to fill out all of these cards and try and remember who had moved, who she's been in contact with, who she's lost contact with. She kept a pretty basket by her front door with stamps, Christmas cards, some pretty markers, and when mail would come in and she would get a card, she would simply quickly address one, write a very thoughtful note inside of it, and send it out. If she did not receive cards from someone, she didn't send it out. Now, I think there's a certain amount of people that we always want to keep in contact with, close relatives, close friends, but I thought this idea was really good, because why keep sending out cards to someone who might not be reciprocating any type of thought back? If you like that idea, let me know in the comments, but I thought it was a genius way to stay on top of those cards each season, and it's actually more meaningful because you're responding to whatever they wrote in the card. Number 5 is such a good one. Inventory your supplies right now. I know I took advantage of the 90% off sale at Hobby Lobby last season, but do you think I remember what I bought? I don't. So by going through and inventorying your supplies right now, you know, do I need tags, ribbons, tapes, boxes, wrapping paper, bags, tissue? Do that now, and it'll be fresh in your mind as you're easing into the holiday season, so you're not buying supplies that you already have, but also, if you need them, you're giving yourself enough time to wait for the best deal and get them at the best price. Another tip to add on to this, create a wrapping station early. And then as you're creating your gift stash, you can wrap it, tag it, and put it in a designated spot. So when the holidays come, you don't even have to worry about wrapping it. It's already done. Number 6 is one I'm encouraging my husband to do. He is the cook and baker in our family, and that's test out holiday recipes right now. There's nothing worse than saving a recipe and thinking, I'm going to make this for friends and family at the holidays or for Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner, and you try out the recipe on the day of the event and it does not turn out. Test those recipes right now. It gives you plenty of time to tweak it, get your family's input about it, and then know which ones are going to be your favorite to carry on into the season. Now to piggyback on that one, number 7 is if you have a tried and true baking or cookie recipe, prep it and freeze it now. You can make those brownies now or those little cakes and freeze them. But what we've done in the past, my husband makes these Parmesan rosemary cookies that came from a recipe from my cousin that she got from a best friend. Anyway, they are the most delicious cookies I've ever had. And we made them for our wedding, but we knew trying to make a big batch of cookies the day of our wedding was going to be ridiculous. So we prepped them, rolled them, and put them in the freezer. And on the day of our wedding, we were able to pull out the rolls, slice it just like you would the cookie dough you buy at the refrigerated area of your grocery store, bake them. They were fresh, delicious, and all we had to do was slice and bake. So prep now, take advantage of that freezer space if you have it, and when you're ready, if you get a last-minute party invitation, you've got a baked item ready to go to bring, and they will think you are totally on top of your game. Number 8 is pre-order those custom gifts and cards now. Right now, the lead time to get things is so minimal because most people are not thinking about the holidays right now. This gives you the best pricing of things, and even if there's a delay in shipping, you're still going to get it in plenty of time and not have to worry about any rush order charges. Friends and family are so busy these days. Number 9 is super important, and that's start marking down important dates right now. As the holidays get in, it's almost as though everybody turns the calendar and realizes, oh my gosh, it's the end of November, December is next month. We have to start planning all of these things. And all of a sudden, it's just this fast-paced calendar scheduling. By writing down and planning important events right now, you're not going to be stressing about how to fit things in. I even take an extra step and mark out times that I want to go see Christmas lights, or I want to go to a school pageant. I love hearing little kids sing Christmas songs, so I still try and go to elementary schools to hear one of the performances, even though my kids are grown. But if you write in shopping times, cook prepping times, your calendar is already going to have all of the important things in so that you know whether you have time to do the extra things or not. I have a full holiday planner on my website at CraftyOrganizer.com, and you can download the planner. Right now it's on sale for 50% off, so check that out. It has things for recipes, gift buying, supplies, movies to watch, and it does have a couple of calendars in it, and these are not date sensitive. You can fill it in yourself, so you can use it year after year. Number 10 is something I think I've been working on all year already without even knowing it, and that's start searching for those DIY gift ideas now. Whether it's something you want to buy on Etsy from someone else who creates them, or if you want to make that item yourself. By coming up with these ideas now, you have plenty of time to decide whether it's something that's doable, if you have the items to create it, if you have the time to do it, and you can also really hone in on what you want to make for each person. But doing it now is so leisurely, and it's kind of fun to get those ideas and then just go through them all at once and decide, I'm making that for my best friend, I'm making that one for my sister. Try working on it now and you'll really alleviate the stress of having to come up with something later. Number 11 perfectly ties in with the last one. Buy those holiday supplies while inventory is stocked. We all know Hobby Lobby starts bringing things out super early. They do this because Hobby Lobby is for crafters. And for those who are making things for craft fairs and selling at marketplaces, they need to start working on those items now. So when Dollar Tree or your favorite Dollar General or Hobby Lobby, Target, Walmart, whomever starts bringing out those holiday items, if you've already got that list of things you want to DIY, you know exactly which supply items you're going to need. You can buy those without having to waste extra money just in case you need it. You'll already know. And right now, while the inventory is completely full, is the best time. There's nothing worse, and I think we've all experienced this. We'll watch videos on Dollar Tree DIYs, and we think, oh, that's so cool. By the time we get to Dollar Tree, Christmas is sold out. Halloween is gone. Valentine's Day is gone. So prep ahead of time so that you know what you want to make, and when inventory is fresh, you can go in and know exactly what you need. Number 12 is honestly more therapeutic than time-saving for your gifts, and that's work on making one gift at a time. We've got so much time right now. You've got 5 months before Christmas occurs. If you start making one gift a week, it's not only really therapeutic for you to just sit there and take your time crafting, but you're putting a lot more thought and time into it for the recipient. Unfortunately, I know personally, when I've had to mass produce gifts, it's less of a I'm making this because I care about you and more of a I've got to get this done. So assembly line, get it done, hurry up, package it. And that's just not as much fun for me. So start working on those projects now. Really take your time so that you're making those items with love and not stress. I hope you enjoyed hearing some of these tips. I know it's so easy for us to all think I have plenty of time. It's like that fable with the grasshopper and the ant. There's plenty of time, but before we know it, school starts back up, schedules get busy, it's Halloween, then it's Thanksgiving, and then Christmas is here, and we don't get to enjoy anything. So take a few of these. Let me know which ones work best for you. If you have other tips, share them. I love reading them in the comments below. And I know others read through the comments and you might be helping someone else as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye.